So today I'm unboxing a wireless bone conduction headphone set, M100 from Mairdi. Let's see how it looks, feels, and sounds. So I have to say the packaging is really nice, very high quality packaging. Very sleek, and almost don't want to throw this box out. First, we have a little letter from the company saying thank you for your purchase. If you have any questions, email us. Little earplugs. I don't know what those are for. A charger and a little case to keep it in. It's a little velour case. And here are the instruction manuals and a quick start guide. Really smart packaging, how these fit in here so snugly. There's a dongle so you can use it with your PC. Very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. And it's double flashing. It's trying to pair to my phone. I don't think I can do that while I'm videotaping. So I'm gonna put these on and see if I can't get them to work. And they're really comfortable. I wish they could be adjustable because there's like a 1-inch gap in the back. I would love to be able to adjust them to make them tight around my head so they're not flapping around back there. But for the price point that these headphones cost, I think I can deal with that. All right, so I've been listening to music a little bit on my Spotify, and I also have been using these to do my voiceovers for this video I'm making right now. And the sound quality, when I listen to my voice with the video editing, it sounds really good. The music, I'm not sure. It could have been the song that I chose. I'm gonna listen to some different music, but I also suspect that because I'm used to earbuds, I think my brain and my ears need to get used to this new technology. I have never used bone conduction technology before. If bone conduction technology is something you're really excited about, but you're not finding it to sound really great when you first try it, I'm suspecting that it might be something that we need to get used to. So I'm going to use it for a week. I'm going to use it a little bit each day and see if my brain doesn't find it to be more enjoyable and higher quality as time goes on. We'll see, and I'll give you an update on that. Okay, I just changed the music. I tried it with a few different songs, and the sound quality is much better depending on the song. I was listening to some older rock from like the 80s, and I think that just was a crappy song. Then I listened to some newer music, and it was really crisp and clear. And I like, okay, yeah, this sounds good. So I think it's going to depend a lot on your body and what you like. I've been wearing these now for about 20 minutes, and they're comfortable. I'm not getting a headache. I am noticing that I'm like, oh, there's something there, but I think that will pass. I remember when I first started wearing earbuds, they were annoying, and now I put them in my ears and I forget about them. So I think it's a matter of getting used to them. I'm also really excited about this little thing they give you. These are really high quality. Like, you could see the material is just really soft, and there's nothing hard to poke you, and they're really flexible. It's really nice, really quick and easy to put on. My earbuds the other day, I was putting them on in my car, and I dropped one of them down in between my car seat and my console, and I injured my hand. This is like 6 weeks of healing, and it's taken forever, and from sticking my hand down in there and scratching my hand because I couldn't get the thing out. It went so down underneath my chair, it got lost for 3 hours while I dug it out. So that won't happen with this. So far I'm really excited about these. What else did I want to say? Oh yeah, I remember. What I like about the bone conduction is there's nothing in your ear. So I'm sitting in my house, I can hear other things happening in the room. So if you're looking for noise canceling, if you want to completely keep the rest of the world out of your head while you're listening to music, bone conduction may not be for you, although I think that's what these are for. But I tried it with these and I didn't like it. But again, it could be something that my brain has to get used to. But I like the idea of being able to hear other people talking to me. So it's all a matter of preference. But so far, I'm really impressed with this. I don't even know. I think I'd want to keep this box and keep them in here, depending on my storage situation. But this is really nice too. They really feel durable, and I'm really excited about them. So I'm gonna probably come back on here in a week or so and let you know if I find them to be even better than they are now after letting myself get used to them. So I hope you like this video, and if I missed any aspect of this review and you want to know more, just message me and I'll update this, and thank you for watching.